Hello, circus fans. Have you been doing your nerve glides for your legs? Leave some comments down in the comments. Let me know. Has it helped your flexibility? As promised, we've got some nerve glides this week for our shoulders. So, again, only do 10 on each side per day. If we do more than that, our nerves tend to get a bit grumpy, and then we're defeating the object of doing them at all because we're actually making the problem worse. So, shoulder glides. Pretend you have a platter. Those of you who do spinning plates will be used to doing this with spread fingers and a plate on their hand. Pretend you have your platter. You're going to extend your arm out at shoulder height and take your head with it. And then you're going to bring them back. And we're going to do 10 of those. And it's not really going to feel like you're doing anything. Sometimes your neck might have a bit of a pop. Mine did. Once you've done 10, we're going to do 10 more. This time taking your head away from your hand. That should start to feel a little bit more like something's going on. Do the other side. Test your shoulder mobility overhead. You can do it using a wall. I'll maybe show you some wall stretches next week to improve that shoulder flexibility so that we can have long, glorious lines when we're in the air and keep our shoulders nice and healthy for all of our ground skills as well. All right, have a good week. Take care. See you soon.